Yeah, I don't think so, bud. You guys have not been that good lately. Can't hit. Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian. I'm the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. It's good to see everybody here. Well, here we are, a little more follow through to yesterday. We resoundingly broke through 2,000 yesterday, so now the question is, what's next? You can see the VIX is now 17, so a huge move in VIX. It's come in substantially. The VIX futures have now fallen all below 20. We're in a full contango, which means that the VXX, the UVXY, they're losing money every day again. Those of you that were looking for the sign to get back into the market, or we're looking for a sign to, get short vol, this is kind of an opportune time. The market is certainly setting that thing up, and there's money to be made kind of across the board from a long perspective, the way things are lining up. Nothing crazy is going on. Obviously, things could still go sour, but volatility has certainly pulled itself up from its bootstraps and is now moving back toward normal level. Now, I don't think we should expect to see 12 again, all right? But we may stick in a range of 15 to 18 for a little bit in this new normal cycle, where volatility is going to be somewhat elevated relative to what we've been used to the last few years. I still think there's going to be, we've got a Fed scare 6 months away, probably another in March, but clearly I think October is definitely off, and December just as much. They've missed their chance to raise, and volatility in the markets are recovering with it. It's pretty spectacular, kind of the way things have moved, and you can see that strength in gold, big strength in gold, as we kind of talked about there might be. I think gold could make a run back to GLD could make it to 112 something. Gold itself could move back above 1,200. And I think that you could see oil also continue to gather some strength because the dollar is softening, just the way it is. There is some dollar softening occurring, and this is your chance to take advantage of it. Even oil vol, which had been kind of the stiffest, is backing off some, although still above 40. So if you're looking for any juice, it's still out there in oil, where there's still some healthy premiums. Financials look like they're catching wind. They're starting to move despite the lack of rate hike. Technology companies are finding footing. I don't know that today's going to be a huge update, but the fact that there's more follow-through and the market continues to creep higher and the VIX is kind of fully backward should point toward things moving progressively higher here. There's now a full point between October and December. It's pretty between October, which expires in 2 weeks, and regular VIX. There's now a pretty steep contango curve, believe it or not. I'm a little surprised, but that's the way things have lined up. Pretty shocking. So, yeah, this is pointing toward soft dollar, weak dollar policy. So, I would be buying gold like I'd be buying Cubs National League Divisional Series T-shirts shortly. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll be out with my trade idea of the week shortly. We'll also be announcing a webinar at on that day. Keep an eye out for a webinar on the 15th, so keep your calendars open, folks. All right, folks. Hope everybody has a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.